Oh, hell yes! Welcome to another episode of Drunk Mom Reviews, and this one is gonna be dope, yo. You see my strobing lights? I got the coolest pool on the block, thanks to LyLmLe. Their LED pool lights are everything, people, everything. All your neighbors are gonna be jealous. There's different types of LED lights this company has. So you check out your pool and then you figure out which one is best for you. I got the 20W. I'm thinking that probably means 20 watts. I got the 20W LED pool lights. And let me tell you what this bad boy does. Look at all these custom colors it has, and it even comes with an audio sensor that flashes in sync with the music you play. Talk about getting the party started. And don't worry about leaks or erosion like the other brands. LyLmLe is so durable, it is built to last. It is Ip68 Waterproof, and it has 50,000 hours of lifespan. And with its 140 beam angle and 800 LM in brightness, it is not only super visible, but energy saving too. It's brighter than any of the other brands out there. You can't beat that. You can even put this on a timer, so you don't even have to think about turning it off. It even has a 26-foot cord to charge. So as you can see, I made it a beautiful, calming blue while I discuss how freaking easy it is to install, people. It's so easy. It takes less time than some of my steps. I'm going to show you. Takes less time than that. You know why? Because it has a magnet. So you could just literally slap it on your wall to a pool or a hot tub, you name it, or the like outdoor pools, the indoor pools, you name it. You can slap it on as long as your pool has metal on it, okay? If you don't, they give you this little thingamajiggy and you just install it and you pop it on and it's magically attaching like that. It is that easy, people. No drilling or screwing or MacGyvering. Anyways, it comes in two colors too. I got the blue, but it also comes in white. They're both so cute. So cute, people. Anyways, I don't need this. This bad boy has a 24-month warranty, so you can feel safe and secure when you buy it on Amazon today. And you will be the coolest people on the block. Everyone's gonna be talking about your pool parties, your pool parties. You know why? Because your pool looks so gorgeous at all times. It even dances to songs that you play. It is so good, people. The caption is down below. You get yours today. And until next time, you'll be seeing me on another Drunk Mom review. So subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you later. Bye, y'all. Pool party, here I come, or here you come.